This small homestead is on the Whitecliff farm near Harare. For 5 years, Judith CHIBAYAMBUYA and her children have lived here. She was given a small plot of land by the government, along with thousands of other families. But now the original owner wants to enforce an order from the Supreme Court to get it back.
It's very painful. What do we do? Where do we go? Especially with all this money we've wasted on building materials. Those coal rubbles there were delivered today and we paid $500. We cried to the government to do something about it.
The owner of the land is this man, PFUGARI.
This one, all these people.
He says he bought the land legally in 1998, but then had it compulsorily purchased by the government in 2000. He's been fighting to get it back ever since. And for him, the issue is simple.
When we went to the Supreme Court, we are granted back our land. So I don't know what is the dispute about.
Many of the residents were brought here as part of a vast operation to clear Zimbabwe's slum areas, which saw hundreds of thousands of people moved. Whitecliff's residents say the government needs to step in to protect their rights.
If PFUGARI needs money, we have to pay through the government, and the government pays PFUGARI. The only destination of Whitecliff people is to reside in Whitecliff and die in Whitecliff.
The Supreme Court disagrees. It has ordered the government to vacate the land and tear up the buildings on it, including 2 schools. That's something the Urban Development Minister is keen to prevent.
I think it's up to PFUGARI to seek a payment for his land from the same ministry, or to be given another piece of land by the same ministry as the Zimbabwean law dictates.
For the moment, the residents are not moving. Judith and the others have stopped attempts to evict them 3 times in the past. But now the weight of the law is against them. Dominic, Kane, Al Jazeera.